ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋರು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈಗ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕೂತಿರೋ ಬದಲು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ.
Yesterday he was remanded, please, Your Lordship.
ಅದೇ
1 case
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ.
No, not, I'm not.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರ ಡೌರಿಗೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ PSA ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಏನ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಈ ತರ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೊಡೆದಿರೋದು?
History of assault.
ಏನ್ ಇಂಜುರಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
No injuries, please, Your Lordship. In order to bolster the case of the prosecution, please, Your Lordship, she approached the Commissioner of Police with certain media personnel. She orchestrated a situation wherein.
Orchestrate.
Yes, please, Your Lordship.
Allegation is attempt to murder.
No, kindly have a look at no injuries. Even the complaint allegation doesn't disclose what are the injuries at all.
A video is entire incident where
ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಕ್ಕೆ.
Circumstances
ನೀವು
are
ಹೊಡೆದಿರೋದು ಅವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಇನ್ಯಾರು ಅವೇರ್? You are repeatedly telling that there are no external injuries. When the husband beats the wife, it is not only external injuries that matter, it scars the soul of the wife.
Lordship, that is
That
all I
is the
agree.
injury that is caused when you get physical
The allegation.
over a woman. That woman is your wife.